Why wait for someday when someday is here now? This is Caroline.laviolette with the Catamaran Company. Welcome aboard this lovely Leopard 42. Come on aboard. Let's start by looking at some of the really nice features on the exterior of this boat. Someday has all the nice features people are looking for these days. Hardtop bimini, full of solar, wind generators, custom targa arch, and wide side decks. This family has enjoyed cruising in full safety and comfort. This nice stainless steel targa arch sustains the solar panels and the wind generators. This boat is completely self-sufficient on power. And the davits for the dinghy incorporated into the targa. For the avid fishermen or those that are looking to try, there is some rod holders built into the bimini top. Keeps things out of the way and right where they belong. We have a fish cutting board, very wide transoms, so it makes it easy to walk when you're underway or at anchor. Barbecue grill, and wide sterns to make it easy to get in and out of the water. The ladder and shower are on the port stern. Shower, and the dive ladder. The center console dinghy is quite fun for the kids to play with, or just to get you back and forth from shore. In preparation for extended cruising, they went through the boat from stem to stern to make sure they had something reliable to have the kids on board with. The rigging has been replaced. The engines, we'll look at that later, have also been remanufactured by the factory authorized technicians. Fully equipped for cruising means you do have an electric windlass, well labeled with a depth color chart. That's what we like to see. The anchor's in its pocket. We have 3 separate anchors, so you've got the right hold in all cruising grounds. This generation Leopard had the louvers on top of the windows, which provides shade on the interior, but is also a step for sitting or walking. The hardtop is solid enough to walk on it, so don't worry about that. And let me show you the solar. We have approximately 900 amps of solar power plus 400 off of the wind generators, so you can have power day or night at anchor without having to turn on the generator. It's easy to access the sail bag to put the sail away or to do any adjustments that you have to flat-footed. We have a comfortable 2-man seat at the helm, easy to handle, and we have a window to see your sails. Moving into the cockpit, great seating area for the entire family or for the entire anchorage. Large teak table with plenty of seating, and another great seat for the co-pilot. This boat does come with safety gear, but as an added safety precaution, you do have a gate to keep the kids safe in the cockpit. The Leopard 42 does have storage throughout. We have our cleaning equipment right here in the cockpit. You can also add extra safety gear or water toys. whatever you'd like. The propane locker will accommodate 2 very large tanks. And let's move on to the interior. While the table is currently set for 4, you can easily fit twice the amount of people around the table. The Leopard 42 has a nice U-shaped galley, very comfortable to work around. We've got a well-organized drawer space with 4 utensil drawers, double cabinets with room for glasses, plates, cups, everything you'll need for cooking and cleaning and entertaining. We have extra storage incorporated into the Corian countertop, double sink, 2-burner stove, and additional storage underneath the countertop, doubles as a dish drying rack. When I mention we've got plenty of energy from the solar panels and wind generator, they do a lot of the cooking in the Instant Pot and all that on the batteries. And this one has a brand new isotherm refrigerator and drawer freezer, which is a lot more convenient, especially for a large family. You don't have to go digging through that top loader. The custom butcher block top adds counter space to your galley. At the nav station, we have switches well labeled, VHF, solar controller, generator remote start. We have the inverter, air conditioning, water maker, as well as the 12-volt panel. For that rainy day, we do have a flat screen TV, and we have the wind generator control panel. Here we have the Outback solar controller and the Firefly Oasis batteries, which can take more cycles and have more longevity than regular AGM batteries. In the port hull, we have 2 cabins with 2 ensuite heads, a queen berth. If the kids have extra friends join you, you can also have a mattress in the forepeak or just use it for overflow. The Leopard 42 has 4 equal ensuite head and showers. Moving to the aft cabin. We have lots of little storage and cubbies. Besides, all you need is a swimsuit and a t-shirt. The port aft head was converted into a laundry room with a washing machine. But since the plumbing was not abandoned, this can easily be reconverted into a head. The Leopard 42 is one of the rare models that has a shaft drive. And have a look at the beautiful remanned engines. In the starboard aft cabin, we also have a full-size bed, also with an ensuite head and shower. And the starboard engine. Isn't that pretty? And moving forward to the starboard forward cabin, we have a 12-inch custom mattress, very comfy. Having the berth athwartships gives you a lot more space. We have very deep closet space. and additional hanging storage under the berth. And the fourth head and shower. With the worldwide events that we've been living through the last while, it's really made a lot of people think about what's important to them. So now's the time to stop saying someday and make an offer today. There's no reason not to live the dream yourselves. Contact me, caroline.laviolette at catamarans.com for more details or an appointment.